Clean Tech backers, this is a February 2021 update. Before you watch this video, we want to make sure that you've watched our previous videos where we've explained the entire situation and have been updating our thousands of backers every month on exactly the latest developments with the Clean Tech Air Purifier project. Again, there are links to these videos in both the IndieGoGo campaign page update and also in this video itself. As you know, 25 days ago, our Kickstarter campaign has been suspended, but the project has been going on and we are very confident, and we're going to show you here that the product is fully manufactured and it is being delivered to our shipping facility based in the USA. So I'm going to play through this latest video that was actually sent over from our factory. Now, it's a miracle that our product was able to get on a cargo ship before the lunar holiday season. The lunar holiday season often delays manufacturers where most teams go back home to visit their families by almost 3 to 4 weeks. But you'll see here that we're working hard through the holidays, and even our shipping line was able to get almost 2 containers worth of air purifiers to be delivered so that they can be sent out to our backers. We're going to show you here some pictures that were recently sent over just 2 days ago. So again, you can verify and you can confirm through all of the pictures and videos that we have been sharing with our backers just how transparent we've been that the project is being completed and being sent to all of our backers across the world. So you can see here and confirm that Clean Tech is manufactured, that safety seals have been put on by Foxconn, the same manufacturer as the Apple iPhone and Sony PlayStation. It is going to be completed here with their tape and seal of approval. You can see here that these pictures are time dated January 29, 2021. As the date of this recording, it's February 2nd, 2021. You can see here that 2 container ships are actually being loaded as we speak and actually have been 100% completed. You can see here, you can actually zoom into the picture and you can see that same packaging tape on the cargo being loaded into both of these containers. Again, there's the red container. You can see there's the blue container as well. Here is it being empty. Here it is being loaded. Again, we are asking our manufacturing facility to send updates the entire way to show to our backers that we're working extremely hard, that the product is already manufactured 100%, and it is now en route to our USA-based shipping facility that will get these products out to you. Again, this is the update for the month, and you can see here even the carton number and also serial number. This is the Foxconn sealing label that you saw in the previous video. I do want to answer some of the questions that we've still been getting from some of the backers that backed us on Kickstarter regarding, what's next for them. So the number one question is, where is my refund? Refunds have been posted and were issued by Kickstarter weeks ago. When the suspension happened on 25 days ago, all of the backers were immediately refunded. So if you check into your credit card statement, you will be able to actually see that refund. And you will be able to reback us and still get that same discount that we offered through Kickstarter. Now, we cannot hold this for long. Again, this is time sensitive. We all are also allowing our backers to be able to increase their pledge and to be able to save even more. Again, we're offering as much as 70% off for the larger perks. We're also offering discounted pricing for replacement air filters as well. Our manufacturing facility understands that this is a major issue, and they were kind enough to support us in supplying even more air filters. So it's very important that you get your pledge perk in as soon as possible to go ahead and support our IndieGoGo. To date, we are almost at 50% of the original funds raised, and we want to thank all of our supporters that are in our private Facebook community that have been showing support for Clean Tech. Other questions we're getting is, have you heard anything from Kickstarter? We have not. We have sent them multiple emails. Hi, Kickstarter, we posted an update here and here explaining everything that's going on. Why did you suspend our campaign? Still to this day, we do not know. And they've been sending, very vague messages since the start, and they still can actually have not responded to our previous emails where we're constantly notifying them that the packages, that the product is 100% manufactured, that we've been transparent since the beginning. And again, we are relaying this to our backers from the start, every single month, and every opportunity that we can to update our backers. A lot of questions that we're also getting is, how do you manage your contribution? IndieGoGo has a great help center where they will allow you to go ahead and change your shipping address, contact the campaigner, refunds, also to increase your pledge, to upgrade to our larger perks, which will allow you to get a higher discount. Again, prices are going to go up much faster, and the moment that this product lands here, we are going to cut off and end this pricing. Again, you're saving 63% off. We are going to go back closer to the retail price of $599. Thank you to all of our backers that have supported us. Now on to exactly the vision of clean tech and why what you're doing is truly revolutionary and for the world we live in today. As you know, we are taking medical grade UVC air purification and we're bringing it to homes, office, restaurants, cars. Literally, the future of air purification is going to be more important than ever. We do want to share these articles from the Wall Street Journal. The key to preventing COVID-19 indoors, and really comes down to ventilation and our medical grade revolutionary technology to bring airflow in. Again, clean tech is just getting started. Our vision and execution plans are stronger than ever. We're bringing on some manufacturers, key strategic partners, and also advisors to really put in medical grade air purification in not just homes, but businesses. And we are going to give you backers the first opportunity to be a part of this vision in multiple ways that we will share later. And so stay tuned. You can see the emissions from a sneeze that over 26 feet, these aerosolized droplets can actually reach people. And that's why medical grade air purification is more important than ever. We're actually going to be working with schools, with businesses, with universities, with work establishments, so that you can safely go back to doing the things that you love, so that you can go back to, these places that you used to spend time with. And again, I know that there's a lot of news about the vaccine, but truly this, as we've been reading in the news, is that these germs and viruses mutate. And how do you effectively mitigate the risk of these airborne germs and viruses? It's air ventilation and air purification. And you can see here that it's very costly to change out the ventilation systems in apartments, in homes, in restaurants, in airports, commercial facilities. So what's the best way to do it? Well, in the immediate short term, it's something like clean tech, an affordable, extremely technology advanced way to bring medical air purification into your home and office. We really tout that we have the most powerful intensity when it comes to UVC light. And you can read some of these articles on how important it's going to be going further. And again, as you as backers, you will have the opportunity to take advantage and really be a part of what we're doing from the start. You can see here in Google News that different school districts are paying costly money to purchase air cleaners and purifiers into school districts. Here's an example of a school district here in California that spent over $6 million for air purifiers. Again, once we have these 2 containers delivered to the US, we're going to start distributing them and start selling them to thousands, hundreds of thousands of commercial areas that can really start using our air purifier everywhere. So again, just wanted to say thank you to our backers. Thank you for being a part of the vision with our medical grade air purification and sanitization. Stay tuned. You will be getting updates on a regular basis. Again, please follow us on IndieGoGo. Let your friends and family know, and also continue to support us. And your product is on its way. Thanks.